Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Maths. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In arithmetic progression, today we are going to learn a new concept. Here we know that S1 is sum of one term and S2 is sum of two terms and S3 is sum of three terms and keeps on going, and Sn is sum of n terms of a series. From which we infer that S1 is equal to A1, S2 minus S1 is equal to A2, S3 minus S2 is equal to A3, and so on. Using this concept, we can find the series in an AP whose Sn is given. We have a problem here. The sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 2n squared minus 3n. Show that the series is an AP. So given that Sn is equal to 2n squared minus 3n, from which we can find S1, which is equal to A1, which is 2 into 1 the whole squared minus 3 into 1. So you will get 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. S2 is equal to sum of two terms A1 plus A2, which is equal to 2 times 2 square minus 3 of 2, which is 8 minus 6, which is 2. S3 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3, which is equal to 2 times 3 square minus 3 times 3, which is 18 minus 9 equal to 9. S4 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, which is equal to 2 times 4 square minus 3 times 4, which is 4 square is 16, 16 into 2 minus 12 is equal to 32 minus 12. So S4 is equal to 20. Now let us find A2 from the difference of S2 and S1. So S2 minus S1 is equal to A2, which is 2 minus of minus 1, which is 3. So A2 is equal to 3. Now S3 minus S2 will give you A3, which is 9 minus 2, so 7. A3 is equal to 7. S4 minus S3 will give you A4, which is 20 minus 9, which is equal to 11. So we get A1 is equal to minus 1, A2 is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 7, and A4 is equal to 11, and keeps on going. Now we have to check whether it's an AP. So let us write the terms first. Minus 1, comma 3, comma 7. A2 is 3 and A3 is 7. A4 is 11. and the series keeps on going. Now let us check the difference. Common difference is 4 everywhere. So the series is in AP. Here we have a problem for homework. Find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. So use Tn is equal to 4n minus 3. Find A1, A2, A3, etc. Then find the sum of the 28 terms using Sn formula. Thank you.